How to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. So let's get started without wasting any time. As you can see here, I'm following these people. I want to unfollow everyone. So I'll click on my profile, then I'll click on these three dots, and here I'll go to settings and privacy. Here I'll scroll down and I'll click on report a problem. And from here I'll click on account and profile. Here I'll click on profile page, then I'll click on other, then I'll click on need more help, and I'll land on this page. Here I'll type hi there, please unfollow everyone I follow on TikTok, then I'll click on submit, and the people I follow will be automatically removed. This is how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.